Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Alright, how you doing?
What floor are you going to?
7.
7?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Whoa, he's start up hard. I'm just interested in elevators, and I do pictures of them and ride them as a hobby.
Well, let me off and you can take your picture.
I'm not, don't worry, I won't get you. Just show him the elevator. Have an awesome day, sir. This is the elevator at the Ellis building in Sarasota, Florida. Relay controlled Otis's. Probably used to be touch, but got Otis with GAL. Alright, let's go down to 2. Here are the motor generators. Here's a view of the cab. Pretty nice elevators. There's an ADA phone. JL Jet Plus fixtures. And there's Otis logo with the interlock. Going down. Here we go. Otis. Go to 3. £3,000 capacity. GAL Jet Plus fixtures, Otis. It's probably done in the 80s or 90s. These were installed in 1972. Probably modded in the 80s or 90s, but not sure. I am going to go, you know what, I'll take these one more time up. These are really nice. I don't want to get off here. Let's go down to 4. I want to try to get on the service elevator. And there's another COP there. 5. Has the door hum a little bit. And we'll get off here. There it goes. That's gonna be it.